How to capture JustDial leads with Teleduce. You are on Teleduce dashboard. Go to the menu and click on the integration. Integration page opens, and click on the Marketplace button. And you can see the JustDial logo, with a Connect option. Click. Are you sure you want to enable JustDial integration? Click Yes. You will get a URL. Copy the URL. Once URL copied, here, you have to send the URL to the JustDial team, and you will get a confirmation of integration from them. Once integrated, come back to Teleduce, click Menu and select Lead box. Here you find the lead from JustDial, in the name of John. Click here to see more details about the lead. You can see company name, email, phone number of John, and description of what John is looking for. Here you find the benefits of integration to JustDial with Teleduce. What are you waiting for? Register for free demo and sell faster with Teleduce.